Hi everyone, today we're going to do a quick show and tell. This was a time when I was in Colombia and I was shooting a documentary about a young fisherman. This is when I got caught in a torrential rainstorm in the Cuban countryside. This is when I was filming a story about an Iraqi boxer. I could be sharing all day. I have so much footage. The thing about it is, what do you do when you film for year after year after year? You have tons of video and photo footage. Well, you end up putting it on external hard drives. And if you're like me, that gets a little crazy. So I found a solution. It's a new year and I've decided to make new decisions. One of them is not going back to normal hard drives because I just don't have time to around, especially with daily uploading to YouTube. So what I've decided to use is portable solid state drives, or SSDs as they're called. This drive is essential for creating content and clarity of mind. This drive is great for multimedia users or people who shoot a lot and have really large files because it transfers at really fast speeds. For me, I found that it transfers about 3 gigabytes per minute, which is incredibly fast. So I can just upload and transfer data and I don't have to waste my time sitting on my computer and waiting. It just, you'll save so much time and hassle by using this. By the way guys, I just want to stop for a second and tell you I am not endorsed by Samsung or by this solid state drive, which is a 2 terabyte drive. I just am telling you because I don't want you to waste all your time like I've wasted my time. Now, this is a normal hard drive and I've had one thing that's really been bothering me about this. For whatever reason, I've been having a connection issue with my normal hard drive. With the USB, when I just jiggle it just a tad or just move my computer, it totally disconnects. And I haven't had this problem with a solid state drive. So we learn from our mistakes, and as a creator, I want to create things. If you're a photographer or videographer, you want to create things. So you don't want to waste your time having to deal with upload speeds and editing. It's editing really slow. You just don't want to deal with that. So that's why this external hard drive is so great, because it's super small and it just transfers data very quickly. Guys, I just want to end this by saying, why chance it? Why risk all that time and effort that you took to take those photos, shoot that video? You can always earn more money. You can always buy another external hard drive, but you can't get that footage back. So that's why I recommend you use a solid state external hard drive. It doesn't have to be portable, although I like portable because I end up using so many and I just run out of space on my shelf to store them. So that's why I use a portable one. It's just a lot easier to travel with and a lot easier to store. And a solid state drive has no moving parts, so it's much less likely to fail than a normal hard drive, which has moving parts on the inside. I still recommend that you back up all your footage on 2 different external hard drives and then put these external hard drives in 2 different locations just in case something happens. This will give you a clarity of mind and allow you to move with speed and dexterity. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope it was helpful and saves you a lot of time and frustration. If you enjoyed it, give me all that YouTube loving, subscribe, like, comment, share with a friend, and I will see you in the next video. Have a good day. Look how small this thing is. It also comes with these 2 cables, so you can connect to Mac, PC, and Android devices.